Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the password of your Atlassian account or your Trello account. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm at the sign up page for Trello, and I'll click on this button here to go to the login page. This already have an Atlassian account, and it'll take me here. Now, as you can see, I am here and I need to enter my email and my password to log in, but let's say I forgot my password. What can I do now? You want to click on the Can't Log In button, and as you can see, you need to select the email to send a recovery link. Now, just click Send Recovery Link, and the link will be sent. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the email that you have used to make your account, and then you'll find a recovery email. In this email, you'll find the link, and you just want to click on that link, and it'll take you to another page. On this page, you'll have the option to enter a new password, and of course, you'll have to confirm your password by typing it once again. But once you do that and you confirm it, your account will be changed, or your account password will be changed, and once you do that, you will be logged out of all platforms that you're logged in on, except for the one where you change it. You'll instantly be logged in with your new password, and that is basically it. I'm pretty sure you don't have any other way to do this. You might have a way to do this through the account settings in Trello, but I'm not gonna go ahead and try that right now, since this is a pretty easy way to change your password. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.